Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Raster Calculator in QGIS. If you're in my class, you should have downloaded the zip file for Lab 5, started a new project, and added these two files into the project. So what we're looking at here is a digital elevation model of the Middlebury, Vermont area. High elevations are in white, low elevations are in black. And currently this data set is actually in meters, and let's suppose that for some silly reason we wanted to convert it to feet. That'd be a perfect job for Raster Calculator. So I'm going to go to Processing, Toolbox, and I'm going to search for Raster Calculator. I found it. Here's my DEM. Because it's only a single band file, it only has one version of it, which is @1. The @1 denotes band 1. If it's a multi-band raster, you'd see different @1, @2, @3. Okay, and so the way we do this is we can construct any expression we want using these various operators. And so the first thing to do is to double-click the raster of interest, get it in there, and then specify the operation you want to do. In this case, it's for me going to be times 3.28 to convert meters to feet. And keep in mind, this is going to be a pixel by pixel operation. It's going to do this multiplication to every pixel individually. And of course, if you need to, you can also multiply and divide multiple different rasters by each other. Importantly, in this version of Raster Calculator, we need to set a reference layer. So we're going to click there and pick our input raster as the reference layer. What that does, it sets a default cell size, it sets a default output extent, and a default coordinate system. So it's going to take all that information from the raster we just put in. And in this case, I'm going to leave my output as temporary, but if you want to keep your output, make sure to hit this file dialog and save your output. Usually I use a .tif extension, .tif extension. So we'll just hit run now. We're all ready to go. It shouldn't take long. And boom, it output the exact same image, same number of pixels in the same places, same size pixels, just each pixel is now in feet instead of in meters. Thanks for listening.